All right, let's dive into one of the most important skills in the world of AI right now, prompt engineering. We're going to get right to it.
Just let that sink in for a second. It's a really powerful idea, and honestly, it's at the absolute heart of everything we're exploring today. We're moving past just talking at an AI and learning how to talk with it effectively.
And you know, that is not an exaggeration. Mastering this skill is literally the difference between getting a generic, kind of useless response and unlocking the real, incredible power of these tools. And by the end of this, you'll have the foundation to become one of those power users.
Okay, so let's get started. We're going to go from vague to powerful and really nail down what prompt engineering actually means. So at its heart, it's really a design process. It's this perfect mix of art and science, all focused on crafting the perfect instruction to get precisely what you need from an AI, whether you're talking to a language model or even an image generator.
And this analogy is just perfect. Imagine you have this assistant who is brilliant, has read basically everything, but has absolutely no real-world context. They're going to do exactly what you say, for better or for worse. So your job is to be a fantastic manager for that assistant.
So why should you even care about this? Well, because good prompting is basically your control panel for the AI. It's how you get dead-on accuracy, how you cut down on those weird made-up answers they call hallucinations, and it's how you command the AI to take on a certain personality and solve really specific problems. It's simple. Better prompts mean better, more reliable AI.
So now that we know what it is and why it's so important, let's actually break down the components of a really great prompt. What are the building blocks?
Just look at this slide. It's a night and day difference, right? On the left, you have explain AI. I mean, who knows what you'll get back? It could be a novel. But on the right, look how specific that is. Explain in simple terms, for beginners, using examples, and in under 150 words. The result you get from that second prompt is going to be infinitely more useful.
A really powerful prompt usually has these 4 ingredients. First up, the instruction. That's the verb, telling it what you want it to do. Second, the context. That's the crucial background info it needs. Third, you've got the input data, the actual stuff you want it to work on. And finally, and this is so important, the output format, telling it exactly how you want the answer to be structured.
Okay, with that foundation set, let's start filling up your practical toolkit. We're going to look at a few fundamental techniques you can start using right away, from what's called zero shot all the way to fuse shot.
This table breaks it down so clearly. Zero shot is when you just ask a question cold, with no examples at all. One shot is when you give it a single example to help guide its response. And fuse shot, well, that's where the magic is. You give it multiple examples to teach it the pattern you're looking for, and that almost always leads to much, much higher accuracy.
All right, you've got the basics down. Now it's time to level up. Let's look at the techniques the pros use to get those truly remarkable, jaw-dropping results.
And this isn't just a list. Think of it as your secret arsenal. We're talking about making the AI show its work with chain of thought prompting, or assigning it a whole persona with role-based prompting. You can break down huge tasks with multi-step prompting. You can even get it to check its own work for better reliability with something called self-consistency. Each of these gives you a whole new layer of control.
Role-based prompting is such a perfect example of this. It's so simple, but it's wildly effective. Just by telling the AI what it is, like, you are a data scientist, you frame its entire response. It'll instantly adopt the right mindset, use the right terminology, and give you a much more expert-level output. Now, this one is a complete game changer, especially for complex problems. Instead of just asking for the final answer, you tell the AI to reason its way there, step by step. What's so cool about this is it not only makes the final answer more accurate, but it also makes the whole process transparent. You can actually see its logic. So how do we put all of this together? This last section is all about refining your skills and seeing where they can be applied out there in the real world.
This right here is your takeaway tool. Notice how it has a place for all those core components we talked about: role, task, data, format, and constraints. You can literally use this template to structure your own prompts for pretty much any complex task. It is a fantastic starting point.
And of course, we've got to talk about the common traps to avoid. Being too vague, that's the #1 mistake. But also, don't forget to give context, don't try to ask for 10 different things in one prompt, and always specify the format you want. And maybe the most important one, iterate. Your first prompt is rarely your best one. You have to test and tweak. So why does all this matter so much? Just look at where this skill is already critical.
This isn't some niche hobby. We're talking smarter chatbots, creative content, writing code, analyzing data, education. It's spreading everywhere. Prompt engineering is no longer just a cool skill. It's becoming fundamental.
And this field is not standing still for a second. Right now, we're doing a lot of this by hand, right? Manual prompting. But we're moving toward automated tools that'll help us optimize our prompts. And in the future, we're talking about things like prompt compilers and even AI agents that can prompt themselves to get a job done. We are right at the very beginning of this evolution.
So if you take just one thing away from our time together, let it be this. We've talked about a lot of techniques and templates, but what we're really truly learning here is a new way to communicate. It's a bridge between our human ideas and the incredible power of machine intelligence.
And that's really the ultimate truth of the AI era. The tool's power isn't just in its programming, it's in our ability to clearly articulate our needs, our questions, and our creativity to it. Your communication skills directly unlock the AI's potential.
So the real challenge for all of us is not just to learn the tricks of prompting, but to think more clearly and creatively about what we really want to achieve. That's how we're going to unlock the next wave of innovation. Prompt smart, but think smarter. Thanks for joining me.